It's often confusing to memorize respiratory volumes and capacities. And I have a trick here, and I hope it will make it easier. First of all, we need to learn the three basic respiratory volumes. The first one is tidal volume, the second is IRV, inspiratory reserve volume, and the third one is ERV, expiratory reserve volume. Now, learning inspiratory capacity will be a lot more easier in the form of formula, which is given in NCERT itself. The sum of tidal volume and inspiratory reserve volume will give inspiratory capacity, which makes it lot easy. The same step will go for the expiratory capacity, which will be sum of tidal volume and expiratory reserve volume. Now let's bring residual volume RV into the picture. The first volume, which will be a sum of expiratory reserve volume and residual volume, is the functional residual capacity. The second respiratory volume will be vital capacity, which will be the sum of expiratory reserve volume, tidal volume, and inspiratory reserve volume. I tried remembering inspiratory reserve volume and expiratory reserve volume in one more way, that in both the definitions, additional is the keyword. So the definition of both the volumes will start with additional volume of air a person can inspire by a forcible inspiration for the inspiratory reserve volume, and for expiratory reserve volume it is additional volume of air a person can expire by a forcible expiration. Now the last respiratory volume which we are left with is the total lung capacity, which will include vital capacity and residual volume. We have already learned what is vital capacity, so we can summarize it according to the formula that it will be the sum of residual volume, expiratory reserve volume, tidal volume, and inspiratory reserve volume.